Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal. So today I'm going to make a breakfast recipe, 10 minutes, easy peasy. It's very yummy at the end. So I will start by preparing my ingredients. I will put all my ingredients and present them to you when I finish cutting them. I'm using tomatoes, bell pepper, and onion, garlic, and salt, and I'll add some rice at the end. So as you can see, I have in 2 tomatoes, half a bell pepper, parsley, so 3 cloves of garlic, half an onion, and 4 eggs. So I'll use 2 bowls to and split my eggs, the white and the yolk. So like I said, I'm using 1 cup of rice. This is leftover. I'll add all my ingredients on the yolk, on the bowl that has the yolk, the egg yolk, and then I'll gently mix mix it up, and then I'll add some salt, just by taste as you want. Mix it up again, and then I'll add the rice and gently mix it up, and to make sure that everything is well combined. So now I'll beat my white eggs, as you can see, and when they are ready, I'll add them to my egg mixture, and gently, very gently mix everything. In a preheated pan, I will add some olive oil. You need to add not too much but not too little oil, because you don't want your eggs to burn, to stick on the pan. So you add your eggs mixture and make sure everything is set. I cook them for like 3 minutes, and then as you can see, I'm just trying to make sure that my eggs are well cooked, and that's why I'm doing this. And don't worry, it will not break at the end, as you'll see. I will let it cook for another 2 minutes, and then I will use a plate to flip it over. So look at this, beautiful. So I'll add a little bit of oil, because you don't want your eggs to burn or to stick on the pan, as I said at the beginning. So after 3 minutes, my eggs are ready, and it's beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.